In this video, we're going to look at how you can set your filtering in NBCC's new Service Desk. So if you're an agent and you're in and you're looking at your tickets, how you filter the tickets is very important because obviously you don't want to miss any tickets. So the filtering is done over here. You can see, so how I get to my tickets is on the left-hand side of the screen here. You can see my tickets. I go under my tickets list. And for me right now, it's only showing urgent and high priority tickets. So what you can do is there's the three little lines right here. So this can allow you to go in and see the other options that are in here. So you can go on and change your filtering at any time and go in. So in this example, for example, I'm in the IT workspace right here. So I'm in and I'm seeing the tickets in here. And so when you go to set your filters, you want to make sure that you go over under the filtering here and you can set your own options. So right now, I'm in the workspace IT and it's only showing me incidents. So I'm not seeing those service requests that come in. So, you're going to want to check off all the types that you want to see. And I do recommend, when you select your workspace to have those selected there. The agents, you can leave that blank if you want to. Otherwise, you can select your own name, but you'd only see the tickets that are assigned to you. So I would just kind of leave that, the requesters here. The other important ones are the groups right here. So I would change this to, my group, so the groups that you're a part of. Created and plan start and end time, you can kind of leave that as it is. Due by, there's some options there, but I would leave that as it is. The status right here, now this is very, very important. The status of the ticket. So if I chose, all open tickets right here, it's only going to show me the tickets that are open. So over here on the side, you can see open, close, pending. I would see none of the pending or, close, resolved. I would only see open. So my recommendation is, so you don't miss any tickets, that you choose open, you choose pending, you choose pending service provider. So if you're waiting on information from a service provider and the ticket's in that state, you can go on and select those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose all of those. And if you do want to see the resolved ones as well, you can choose those under the status right here. And then priority level, if you don't select any of these, it's going to show you all of them. So yeah, so you want to either select the ones you want to see, or don't select any of them, and you'll see it. Same with urgency and impact. There's the source option right here, but I do recommend leaving that blank so it selects all sources as well. The incident type, date and time. So the important ones that I see are the status. So you want to make sure you have the statuses set. And the other one is groups. You want to choose my groups. And then the workspace. You want the proper workspace and then select the one here. So now what you're going to do is you're going to press apply filters, and then it's going to show you those. So it changes that filtering for me. I'm seeing all the IT ones right here that are resolved, pending, or open. And so now if I want to save this view, what I can do is up here on the top, there's IT incidents here, for example. I can click. So I'm just going to do that again. There's like the little check mark with 2 dots, save as. So if I save this, and I can call this, I already have a view, but I can call this Kevin second view. And so what I want to do after I do that is visible to myself. I just want it to myself, not agents in the IT workspace, not agents in the group. This is just my view. So I'm going to save that. So what the saving these different views, and you can set different views if you'd like. And what you can do is under here, the tickets list, you can click on it and you can see there's Kevin's second view right here. And so beside that, there's a little star. So what you can do is you can click on that star and it's going to favorite these views. So the really great thing about this is I can click on the option and then change my filtering. So I can go from one view to the other pretty quickly, and it's going to show me those tickets. So this is a great way to set your view up so that you don't miss any tickets. So thanks for watching.